We're also seeing some reports of some dense, heavy fog in the area. So if you are planning on driving anywhere, prepare to look up and see that beautiful sunny sky, but there is a chance that you might have some reduced visibility if you are in those low-lying valley areas. Right now we have calm, clear conditions. That means that we're not seeing any wind, we're not seeing any clouds to hold in anything. So temperatures right now, we're allowed to drop into those mid 40s, and that's leading to some of our fog reports, in fact. So we're looking at Union City primarily being in that reduced visibility, so our Kentucky County is there for us, but I've already seen reports of I-57 and I-24. So if you are in those areas, just be careful, especially with some of that sun glare out there. You know how that goes. But as we take a look from Metropolis, you can start to see some of that reduced visibility, that fog coming right off the river there, and it's something that we're going to see filter through part of our morning as we start to see that sunrise. That'll eventually go away. We'll start to see some winds come back into place. So our threat tracker bar staying low. We're going to notice as we go through the day today, our clouds will increase. By Monday, we again keep the threat tracker bar low. In fact, for the rest of the start of the week, we'll keep it pretty low with clouds increasing through part of our week. But we're going to notice it gets warmer, at least for a brief short period of time. So that cold front now out of the way. It's going off to the east. We're staying dry. This is nice. Our temperatures, we're allowed to cool down. So the warm temperatures filtering off to the northeast, and we're stuck with this cool down into those 40s. So we're not going to be warming too much more than at least those mid 60s by today. Again, a few of those clouds will start to come into play primarily as we go into the overnight hours. Here we are Sunday, temperatures allowed to go into those mid 60s. Going to be quite pleasant as we go into early Monday morning. It's possible that in our lower Tennessee counties that we see an isolated shower here or there, but overall I've seen a few models start to pick up maybe on Tuesday, so there's a few little changes that could be made, but overall Monday morning waking up, same thing as what we're seeing this morning, into those mid 40s, not doing too bad. A few clouds will start to filter in as we go towards the late evening hours. Highs again into those mid 60s, could see a few lower 60s up to the north. But again, a few models showing that and into the later evening hours, into Monday, into early Tuesday, we have a few isolated chances of a shower. So it's a great idea to download that Storm Track 3 app and keep it on hand, because not only are we tracking some showers potentially, but we are looking at our temperatures going into above average temperatures and then decreasing pretty rapidly as we go towards our weekend. A next chance of rain there for us. But November 11th through the 15th, cooler air is going to be moving its way in. And so therefore, here we go. This cool air mass going to be making its way over our area. And for how long is the question, because we could be seeing temperatures as low as the 30s. So take these temperatures in while we go ahead into those 70s. Then notice those morning lows going right back into those lower 40s. We're seeing some 30s, so potential frost after some of that chance of rain for next Friday, but there's still some wiggle room. There's still some time for that to go into the weekend, so I'd keep an eye on again on that Storm Track 3 app and right here at WSIL News 3.
You know, maybe each day until, you know, that Friday night when we see those low temps, maybe pick like a piece of winter clothing each day and then put it on Friday night.
You would do that, wouldn't you?
It's a puzzle.
I'll just remind you, hey Danny, like lay out some clothes that are warmer than what you typically wear.
Winter coat, please.
Yeah.
Thanks, Emily.